a quiet kitchen, where warm light dances across wooden shelves and the scent of spices whispers through the air, a timeless ritual is about to unfold. A ritual passed down through generations, a tradition that connects memories, homes, and hearts. Today, a masterpiece is born, the Christmas fruitcake. But this is no ordinary recipe. This is an experience. Our story begins with a treasure chest of colors and textures, 600 grams of finely chopped dried fruits. Every jewel holds a story: raisins, sultanas, apricots, dates, cashews, pineapple bits, papaya cubes, candied peel, red cherries, each piece waiting to release its magic. Into this vibrant mosaic goes a spice mix, 2 full tablespoons, carrying the warmth of cinnamon, the mystery of allspice, and the sweetness of cardamom. These are not just spices, they are the heartbeat of Christmas itself. But the moment the mix transforms is when the golden liquid enters. 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, smooth and rich. 3 tablespoons of rum or brandy, deep and aromatic. Vanilla extract with its soft, lingering sweetness. And for those who seek depth, lemon essence and rose essence. Each drop infuses the fruit mix with character. Each stir brings together worlds of flavor. And then the waiting begins. Covered and left to rest, this mix matures slowly, absorbing every note, every scent. Whether it rests for hours or for weeks, every moment makes it stronger, richer, better. This batch rests for 2 days, long enough for the transformation to complete. To this matured treasure, 3 tablespoons of strawberry jam are added, a touch of sweetness, a burst of color, and a ribbon of fruitiness binding it all together. But the journey is only beginning. Plain flour, 4 tablespoons, is sprinkled in, a delicate dusting that anchors the mix. It folds into the fruits like winter snow settling on rooftops. Next comes the whisper of warmth, semolina, 90 grams, gently toasted on medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Its aroma rises, filling the air with a soft nuttiness. It cools and waits. Then the heart of the cake begins to beat. Into a large bowl, 110 grams of butter drops in, soft, creamy, and ready, followed by 100 grams of sugar, sparkling like morning frost. Together they are whisked and whisked deeply. 3 minutes of transformation until they turn pale, airy, and smooth like silk. Now the richness arrives. 3 egg yolks, added one at a time. Each yolk deepens the color, enriches the texture, and strengthens the soul of the batter. Then the cooled, toasted semolina joins in. The whisk slows, 15 seconds of gentle blending, and the mixture becomes warm, golden, and full of life. Now the star returns, the matured fruit mix. It folds into the batter, carrying with it color, flavor, memory, and magic. The bowl becomes a festival of textures. The batter becomes a mosaic of gems. But one final element remains, an element of air, lightness, and lift. 2 egg whites whisked until firm peaks rise proudly. They glide into the mixture, folding gently, lovingly, breathing life into the dense tapestry of fruits. Now the batter is ready, rich, weighted, and full of promise. The baking pan, 20 by 20 centimeters, awaits. Its base is lined with 3 to 4 layers, protecting the precious creation inside. The batter spreads across the pan, forming a smooth, even surface. A quiet moment follows, and then enters the heat of the oven. First stage, 160 degrees for 30 minutes. The cake rises gently, the butter melts, the fruits soften, and the spices bloom. Second stage, 140 for 50 to 60 minutes. Here the flavor deepens, the texture stabilizes, the magic settles, a skewer slides in, comes out clean. It is done, warm, aromatic, and glorious. A final touch, a glossy layer of apple jam spreads across the top. Optional, but elegant. Or perhaps a marzipan layer for those who crave richness. Then the most important step of all, letting it cool completely. Patience turns good into extraordinary, and when the knife finally cuts through, the truth is revealed. Moist, fragrant, balanced, perfect. But this is only the end of part 1, because the taste only gets better with time. A fruitcake is more than a holiday dessert. It is an alchemy, a transformation of simple ingredients into something unforgettable. And every step in this recipe serves a deeper purpose. Let's explore the science and soul behind this creation. The fruit mix is the heart. Dry fruits carry concentrated sweetness and fiber. When soaked with rum or brandy, they plump up, absorbing moisture while releasing natural oils. This is why the cake stays moist for weeks. Golden syrup adds depth. Its caramel undertones bring richness and color that regular sugar alone cannot match. The spice blend awakens the spirit of winter. Cinnamon brings warmth. Allspice brings complexity. Cardamom brings fragrance. Together, they create the unmistakable aroma of festive baking. The resting period turns the fruit mix into a flavor powerhouse. Like marination, the ingredients merge, mellow and mature. Some families rest their fruit mix for months, creating legendary cakes. The strawberry jam enhances moisture retention. Its pectin and natural sugars create softness that lasts long after baking. Semolina is the secret weapon. It prevents sogginess, stabilizes the texture, and adds a gentle bite, a signature of classic fruitcakes. The butter-sugar whisking process builds air pockets. This step ensures the cake doesn't turn heavy despite the dense fruit load. The egg yolks add richness, while the egg whites add lift. Together, they create the perfect balance, a dense yet soft crumb. The two-stage baking ensures perfection. High heat to lift, low heat to mature. Once cooled, the cake firms beautifully. Its aroma settles, its flavors intertwine. What emerges is not just food, but a creation that carries history. A fruitcake improves with time. Every passing day deepens its flavor. Every slice tells a new chapter. This is why the fruitcake became a holiday icon around the world, because it represents patience, celebration, and love. And now, with this recipe, you too carry forward a tradition that has been cherished for centuries. A cake that is more than a dessert. A cake that is a memory. A cake that is a story. This is the art, the science, and the soul of your Christmas fruitcake.